हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रेजुएशन वाला। आज हम करने वाले हैं इकोनॉमिक्स 306 इको 306 का आंसर की बीए 5th सेमेस्टर इकोनॉमिक्स इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स दीनदयाल उपाध्याय का ये पेपर है। 19 तारीख को एग्जाम हुआ है आपका। आइए इसके आंसर्स देखते हैं, कितने आंसर सही हैं आपके, आप बताइए कमेंट।
International trade is trade between countries. Invisible items in BOP includes services, tourism और interest rate. सभी को all of the above correct है. Who propounded the purchasing power parity theory? Option A, Gostow Castle. Causes deficit in the balance of payment. Option C, heavy foreign borrowing and import payments. What is the primary purpose of hedging? Minimizing risk. Which of the following is known as paper gold? Option B, all of the above. SDR Euro bond. GATT was replaced by WTO. Option B. Which of the following countries is not a member of ADB? Russia, USA. Option B correct हो जाएगा. The main function of IMF is to promote free trade. Option B. Current account convertibility refers to free conversion of rupee for trade in goods and services. Convertibility of rupee on current account was introduced in 1994. The World Bank provides loans mainly for long-term development projects. Which of the following organization promotes globalization? WTO, World Trade Organization. Main objective of North-South dialogue is to bridge the economic gap between the development and developing countries. Option D correct हो जाएगा आपका. The term North-South dialogue refers to discussion between developed and developing countries. थोड़ा सा स्पीड को तेज करते हैं ये. Which of the following is not an objective of WTO? WTO का ऑब्जेक्टिव कौन सा नहीं है? प्रोटेक्टिज्म इज ट्रेड. ऑप्शन बी. The main focus of UNCTAD is UNCTAD का मेन फोकस होता है टू प्रमोट ट्रेड एंड डेवलपमेंट. WTO, the headquarter of WTO is located in Geneva. Option B. TRIPS agreement is related to intellectual property rights. Option B. ट्रिप्स समझौता किसे संबंधित है? Option A, trade related investment measures. The main goal of South-South cooperation is to increase independence on to promote self-reliance and among developing nations. Option B correct हो जाएगा. The Marshall-Lerner condition relates to option C, devaluation method. According to the elasticity approach, the success of a devaluation depends on the elasticity of demand for export and import. Option C correct है आपका. Which of the following is a type of a exchange rate system? Exchange rate system का option D यहाँ पर सही हो जाएगा. The mint parity theory is applicable under gold standard. Option B. According to PPP theory, exchange rate depends on relative price level of two countries. Option B. What was the main cause of the 2008 global financial crisis? Option B. Subprime mortgage lending. FDI inflow in India increased significantly after 1991 reforms. Major feature of globalization is free flow of goods, services and capital across border. Option C correct है. Balance of trade is a part of current account. Which of the following is a positive impact of FDI in developing countries? Inflow of modern technology and managerial skill. Option B. The balance of payment of a country is record of all economic transactions between residents and the rest of the world. C option correct है. Two main accounts of the balance of payment is current and capital account. Option B. The World Bank publish every year is World Development Report. Option C correct है. Which of the following institution is known as a soft loan window of the bank? IDA. Option B correct है. The main objective of GATT was to provide loans to developing countries to promote free trade among nations. Option A is correct. Which item is related to balance of trade? Option C. A and B both. SDR created by World Bank. Which of the following can help to correct balance of payment deficit? Devaluation of a currency. Monetary measures of balance of payment adjustment is use of foreign exchange reserves. D option correct है. Micro approach of devaluation was discussed by. Micro approach of devaluation डिस्कस किया गया. ऑप्शन सी मार्शल लर्नर द्वारा. Which of the following is a measure to correct disequilibrium in the balance of our payment? Option D, all of the above. According to Marshall-Lerner condition, devaluation method will be more effective in reducing balance of payment deficit when B option, elasticity of export plus elasticity of import greater than 1. Non-monetary measures of balance of payment adjustment includes export promotion and import restriction. Which convertibility policy is India currently following? Full capital account convertibility. What does the exchange rate represent? Price of one currency in terms of another. What is included in the capital account? Option बी, एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ सर्विसेज। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर लीजिएगा। ऐसे सभी वीडियो जहाँ इस चैनल पे आते रहते हैं। व्हाट इज द इंक्रीज इन रुपीज वैल्यू कॉल्ड? रिवैल्यूएशन। ऑप्शन बी। और कितने आप लोगों के सही क्वेश्चंस आपको मैंने बताना जरूर। व्हाट इज द फ्लोटिंग exchange rate? Floating exchange rate determined by market forces. What is the effect of rupees devaluation? Export become cheaper. Option A is correct। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय।